Hi friends, this is me Rihan and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Fiction Genius. And today you are watching my first YouTube video, and in this video I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube in front of you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video so that you can stay tuned for my latest updates. And in my upcoming videos I will gonna teach you how to make a Rubik's Cube within 30 seconds or 1 minute. So let's start for that. So now I have a scrambled Rubik's Cube over here. You can watch it. From all sides it is completely scrambled, and now we start solving it in front of you. Now I think I should start for now. Let's have a count. 1, 2 and go.
Happy smile. Option 1 that B1 okay?
So yeah, I have completed this Rubik's Cube within less than 2 minutes. You can see it is almost completed from all the sides. The colors are matching, and in this way you can solve a Rubik's Cube. And in my upcoming videos I'm gonna teach you how to make it in layer wise. So thank you for this time. Please subscribe and like my channel. See you guys. Bye.